Hebrews 11 verse 1. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Romans 10 verse 17. So then faith cometh by hearing, and hearing by the word of God. Isaiah 40 verse 31. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength, they shall mount up with wings as eagles, they shall run, and not be weary, and they shall walk, and not faint. Mark 9 verse 23. Jesus said unto him, If thou canst believe, all things are possible to him that believeth. Psalm 27 verse 13. I had fainted, unless I had believed to see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 7, For we walk by faith, not by sight. Matthew 21 verse 22. And all things, whatsoever ye shall ask in prayer, believing, ye shall receive. Psalm 46 verses 1 to 2. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore will not we fear. 1 Peter 1 verses 8 to 9. Whom having not seen, ye love, in whom, though now ye see him not, yet believing, ye rejoice with joy unspeakable and full of glory. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the thoughts that I think toward you, saith the Lord, thoughts of peace, and not of evil, to give you an expected end.